Time to time backup of your WordPress website is very important because if there is any unwanted server crash, a hacker attack or a human error, instead of starting from scratch, you will be able to restore your website using a backup easily. Hi, I am Khalid from Fiverr Tutorials. Hope you all are fine and doing well. Today in this video I am gonna show you how can you take a backup of your WordPress website within a few clicks using Softaculous tool in cpanel. Do you know what is Softaculous? Softaculous allows you to install, uninstall, update, backup or restore applications at easy. So I am going to take a backup of my website fiverrcrest.com. This is how my website looks. In case of any crash, hacker attack or human error, I don't want to lose my website. I need to log into my hosting account. It is namecheap.com. To take a backup, I need to log into my hosting account. I already have logged into my hosting account. To take a backup of my website, go to hosting list. My website domain is fiverrcrest.com. Click on go to cpanel here. So this is the hosting cpanel for my website. Click on Softaculous app installer. It shows the number of website installations I have here. Now I am checking for fiverrcrest.com as I can take a backup of it. So this is the website and click on backup here. Backing up WordPress. Here you can check both the backup option together or separately. I want the complete website backup, including database, in a single file. So I checked backup directory and backup database option together. You can keep backup location as default also. In that case, backup files will be stored in Softaculous backup folder in cpanel. Here it displays significant backup information. Now click on backup installation to start backup process. Showing backup progress. Fine, the backup was created successfully. You can access it from the backup page. Now click on backups to access the backup file. So this is my last backup file until now, 50.35 MB in size. Click here to download. Downloading. So this is the complete backup file for my WordPress website with database. This is the complete backup file for my WordPress website. It includes database files here. If I click edit, database script appears. So it is the database script file backup for the website. Therefore, in this video, I have covered the process on how can you take a backup of your WordPress website within a few clicks using Softaculous tool in cpanel. If you need to know how to restore a WordPress website from backup using cpanel, you can follow the link below this video. Hope that you enjoy the video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with Fiverr for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.